So I went to San Francisco and just got rejected a lot. So it was really so I was pitching people, trying to get them to join my tech team. I was pitching investors, trying to get them to invest. And most people were saying that for various reasons, and there were many, that they weren't really quite ready. Unfortunately, right now, I do not think that it is quite the right fit just now. We have reached the conclusion that the $8 million cap is above the top end of what we think is fair value. My biggest issue is physical distance. A lot of people said that they need to be able to ride their bicycle to our office, and they couldn't really do that from Silicon Valley, and et cetera, et cetera. They weren't happy to invest in an Australian startup. So many other reasons. And each of these hurt a lot. And I'm not sure it's going to make sense just right now. Other people told us that the size of the market, a design product for non-designers was just like an oxymoron. Why would you do that? There were so many rejections, and each one of them really hurt. And I asked the question at the start, who has been rejected? And pretty much everyone stood up. And who feels like giving up? And half of you sat down. Well, I'd be in the half that sat down because rejection really hurts. But I think that what you feel like doing and what you kind of need to do to actually get to that goal can sometimes be quite opposite things. So we persevered for years. It was actually 3 years between first meeting an investor, Bill, and then actually landing investment. But then eventually we raised our seed round, and we were extremely excited because all of a sudden we could start to grow our team. And we did. And we started, after a year of development, to be ready to launch Canva to the world. And we were so incredibly excited to finally get Canva out into the world.